This tutorial will show you how to create a digital signature in Word, which is a good way to give document an official standing. Here we can see we have a letter. We are going to add a digital signature bottom of the page. So you are now going to need create a digital signature first. Alright, just follow me. First go to the Windows search option, type paint, open it. Now what we do, first of all selected the size, then choose any color from here. Always I recommend choose black color. Then using this brush, now put your sign here using left click button. If your sign is not correct, you can remove this sign. Simply click on it and delete it. OK, choose your brush again, select it and sign. Alright, after that save it anywhere you want. So now what we do, again open our document where we want to put this sign. Go to the insert tab, then click on picture to insert our digital sign which already we created. You can see we can't move this picture. Don't worry, simply go to the position option, then choose any option from here. Now we can move our picture as well as we can resize it. But still there is a problem. The straight line is not properly set up here. Again go to the text wrapping option. Then click on in front of text. That's it. Now finally we set our digital sign properly. It's simple and tricky. That's all this video. Keep learning. Have a nice day.